Hello, so you're highly welcome. If this is your first time of seeing this video, you're highly welcome. Today I want to teach you how I got 1 million view on my comedy channel named Viral Comedy TV. You can check. The name is Viral Comedy TV 2254. I have a single video that is more than a million. I have a single video that is not more than 5 million. So it depends. You can go and check it out. Viral Comedy TV 2254. And I want to teach you the secret on how I got it. It's not any other thing, it's consistency. Understand, when you are posting video, consistently be posting video, it will give your viewers what they want, and again the algorithm will understand you. But when you're not posting video consistently, you confuse the algorithm. That is one thing that people don't understand. Just keep on posting videos, you understand? Make long videos. It will help you so much as a new YouTuber. What do I say? I got 1 million view in less than a week. I got 1 million view. You understand? So what is the secret here? You need to have an amazing title. Also, you need to have an amazing thumbnail. That is what gave me that 1 million view. And this video keep on getting view every day by day. Every day by day, the views are keep on increasing. So you as a new YouTuber, for the fact you uploaded a video and is not having view, does not mean the video is not going to do well. It's for you to give it time. You understand? Just post a video and just give it time. Then it will start going gradually. Understand? Your video does not just start growing immediately. Some take like sometime a week before it will start picking up. Gradually, before you know, you get there. So when you're posting video and you're not having view, that does not mean you have failed woefully. No, 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 no. It doesn't mean you have failed. Just keep on posting. Time will come, the algorithm will start understanding and know the rightful audience to push your video to. So for the fact I'm posting video and I'm not having view, does not mean I'm not gonna grow on YouTube. That is where people are getting it very wrong. Understand? Keep on posting your video, keep on posting. Understand? Post as a new YouTuber, you need to get subscribers. So what is the secret of getting subscribers? The best secret of getting subscribers is creating short video every day. Just keep on uploading shorts. Shorts will help you grow as a new YouTuber. It's going to help you like mad, massively. But some people don't understand this. This is the secret I'm giving you for free. If you are looking for subscribers now, get just keep on using shorts. Short video will shoot you up like fast as if you're using charm. Another thing is, my brother, learn how to do keyword research. This is another thing that will skyrocket your video. Please, this is very important, very, very important. It's an important aspect of YouTube. So if this is your first time of seeing this video, and if this is your first time of coming to this channel, remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. I have a lot and more videos to show to you. Once again, my name is Hamza. You are highly welcome. I will see you in my next video. Please, you don't just keep quiet. If you keep quiet, YouTube will also show you that. See it as a business. See it as a how you grow. You understand? Keep on uploading videos. Time will come that it will grow very fast. So you don't give up. You understand? This is YouTube. This platform is a very big one. So learn how to grow fast on YouTube. Just learn. Keep on. I have more on amazing video. Thank you. See you in my next video. And please keep on posting video. You understand? Even at least twice in a week. Thank you.